Happy holidays, everyone. Today I received my my meal from Safeway. It's the already pre-made dinner for Christmas, and it's a turkey dinner. So it's the holiday dinner kit. It comes with a turkey, creamy mashed potatoes, home-style stuffing, home-style gravy, and cranberry sauce. And so this is how big the turkey is. I want to say it's about 9 to 10 pounds. And let's start unboxing this. So we're unboxing it, and this meal here feeds up to 5 to 6 people. So look how big the stuffing is. So it's like 28 ounces of stuffing. To give you a nice size of cranberry sauce here. And here's a nice size of creamy mashed potatoes. Yeah, it's a nice size of the gravy as well. It's a 24 ounce for this one. And here's another creamy mashed potatoes. So it's a good box. It's at Safeway, and it's the turkey dinner. And here's the turkey that it comes with. All right, so we'll see you on Christmas Day. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Okay, so today is Christmas Day, and we are already baking the turkey here. So the direction is to add foil, and then during the last 30 minutes, you take the foil off so that it could brown a little bit more. It's already fully cooked, it's just more of warming it up. And so we have about 2 hours for this. I took the foil off so that it could be a little bit brown. But look how big this turkey is here. Okay, here's the turkey. Came all pre-cooked with some marination to it. Look how it turned out. So now we're starting with the sides here. So we're going to start warming them up. You can either warm them up in the microwave or in the conventional oven. And Sam is just thawing it out and serving it as is. So we have the gravy warming up over stovetop. So it looks like it's turkey gravy here. So we decided to microwave the stuffing. So here's the first section of it. We did 6 minutes, and now we have to pop it back in uncovered for another 5. Here's the turkey. This is the gravy. Mashed potatoes. This is the stuffing.
Thank you for watching. I hope my video was helpful enough for you to get an inside look on what to expect when purchasing a turkey dinner meal at your local Safeway stores. And if you really enjoyed this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. You can also check out my Instagram and Facebook page. And as always, thank you for watching. This is Travels by Auntie Jennie.
From our family to yours, Merry Christmas!